We are the students of FEECS from Don Bosco College of Engineering, Patalka. My name is Sherwin Dias.
My name is Alan D. Rodriguez.
My name is Valen Mascarenas.
My name is Eldrick Antao.
And this is our project, Smart Bin for Efficient Waste Management. So like many a times, like we have seen in the cities, the municipality, they keep the bins. So what happens is that when these bins get full, the authorities sometimes they don't bother to come and collect the waste. So it's left like that for some time, and then the people, they just tend to throw the waste here and there. So over time, this waste, it stinks. The stray dogs, they come and scatter it all over the roads. Or the cattle, the cows and all, if they come and eat the plastics present in it, they can get choked and die. So we have found a solution for all these problems with our smart bin. Now Alan is going to explain the working of the bin.
Enjoy luxury in the wild at Earthen Nest, Khotiga Wildlife Sanctuary. Book your gateway today.
So the working of a bin is quite simple. First of all, we have used an Arduino Nano board on a circuit. This board uses an ultrasonic sensor to determine the depth of the waste in the bin. And suppose the waste crosses a particular level, the Arduino will detect that the bin is full now, and it will use a GSM or an SMS module to send us an SMS on our device. Also, we use a GPS tracker on our device, so we get the exact coordinates as to where the bin is located. Now, Alandri will give us a few advantages of the bin.
So this smart bin has a few advantages. The first one is that it runs at a very low power. The second one is that it can be used to collect data. A few of these bins around the localities. It will help detect how many bins are being used frequently on a daily basis. The third one is that it will help the authorities, the concerned authorities, to empty the bin to make their trips more efficiently, thus helping them to reduce their fuel consumption and employment labor. My friend Elric will give you a short demonstration on how the bin works.
Assume this as a garbage. I'll put this inside the dustbin. The Arduino will tell that the dustbin is full, and the blocker, it will block the opening of the dustbin to prevent overflow of the garbage. And the GSM, it will directly send the message to the mobile along with the location.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.